This exhaust sounds amazing now. You can hear it kind of a low rumble. Before it was horrible. I had this Borla SType here, which you can, oh shit, I can't see it from this side. I'll have to go to the other side. But I had this Borla SType on it, and then I added this Kooks downpipe. As soon as you add the Kooks downpipe, it sounded like crap. So I was gonna remove it all, but then the guys at 5 Star told me to do this. So here's the Borla. They said to install these. These are made by, they're called Twister race pipes. You install those onto the X pipe, and it's perfect. And these guys did an amazing job. The welds are really clean, and it works really good. And now it's just like a low rumble. It is very nice.